Right, okay, so this is another one of Sherpa's top tips. We've got a puncture in this tyre. So the way I find the puncture, one of these things is quite handy. It's got some water in it, and when you see, oh, there you are, there's a puncture already. Look, when you see water coming out, when you see bubbles coming out like that, there's your puncture. All right, so we found the puncture. Oh, there it is. Look, it's a screw. So let's just dry it off a bit in that area. Clean this a little bit. Right, have that screw out. So yeah, found out about these quite a while ago. This is how I'm going to show you. I think this is how they probably used to fix punctures in the good old days, and it really works. If you can get the screw out, that is. There we are. So, God, they're coming out now. Right. So you've got this tool here, that little thing. You shove that in the hole. Shove that in the hole. You stick it down there. Turn it around a few times. Whilst that's in there, yeah, I'll show you, stopping the air, all the air coming out, I'll show you what you're going to fix it with, which is here. So you've got this like needle thing here, and if you can see on the end there, it's got a slit in it, and you've got this here, which is like a brown dollop of sticky string with rubbery stuff on it. You get that in there, so you have to thread that through there. This is basically a needle. Use my teeth as well to get it through. Close up on the teeth there. Right, so you stick that through so that it's equal on both sides. And the other ingredient you need is this, which is rubber solution. I pinched this out of me puncture repair kit for my bike. So you take this out, just pull it out. Bit of rubber solution for a bit of lubrication or whatever. Bit on there, and a bit on you, and a bit on there as well. Just helps it all to go slide in. I don't think rubber solution is something you really need, but probably quite a good idea. And then you push that. Bloody hell. There you are. Push that into the hole. A bit of strength there, but so maybe clean the hole out a bit more than what I did. You don't want to be pushing as hard as this until these two little strands are pretty much most of the way in. So that's now bunging up that hole. Then, because this needle's got a slit in the end of it, I'm going to pull it out really fast, and then the needle should come out and not the string, like that. So there, you can see. Anyway, that's it. And just get a knife, chop off the ends of your two bits of string, and there you go. Right, let's put it back under water and see if there's any bubbles coming out now. It'll be coming up there if there was. No bubbles at all. And you can buy those little kits on eBay or something like that. It's quite cheap. It's like a tenner to set yourself up with all the bits of string and everything. And every time you're going to go to the garage, it's going to cost you a tenner to fix a puncture. Remember where you saw it last? Remember where you saw it last? What are you laughing?